Good Tuesday morning, everyone. We are dealing with some partly cloudy skies out there. Those temperatures making their way into the mid 70s, though. This is exactly where we should be for this time of year. A very seasonable start to your Tuesday morning. 74 currently in Hearn, back through Cameron, now making our way to 75 in Caldwell, 76 between Brenham and here in Bryan College Station, 75 in Navasota. Even our weather watcher in Centerville reporting 74 degrees to us this morning. We do have high pressure still in control. That's why you can see there's not a whole lot of cloud cover to talk about for the majority of us. Sure, we have some low clouds here in the Brazos Valley. That's a little bit harder to pick up on satellite and radar. But as far as the upper levels of the atmosphere, we are really struggling to see that moisture here at home. And it's all thanks to this guy. It will kind of protect us and put a little bit of a shield, a little bit of a dome of high pressure over us. And that's also what's going to help to heat up these temperatures. You see some of those purples extending all the way from Oklahoma City back through North Texas and even Del Rio. That's going to be areas that are going to nudge anywhere from the upper 90s to the triple digit. Here in Bryan College Station, see how we just barely dodge that? We're aiming for about the mid 90s for today, a very seasonable forecast. And if that's your kind of summertime trend, then we get to do it all over again for tomorrow, waking up in the mid 70s. Aiming back into the mid 90s even for your Wednesday afternoon. Again, you're going to see some purples on the map here on your PinPoint forecast, indicating areas of the Lone Star State that will be a whole lot hotter. But here's one thing you need to take into consideration. By about noon, around lunchtime for today, temperatures will range anywhere from the upper 80s to the lower 90s. But look at our feels like temperatures. That heat index value will be closer to the mid 90s. But by the afternoon hours, once we get some of that daytime heating really going, we'll be aiming for the mid 90s as far as that air temperature. Heat index values are going to be even near the triple digits, especially for the north and for our northeastern counties. So even though highs will likely hover around the mid 90s, it's going to feel closer to that triple digit mark for today. So this is something you really need to take into consideration, especially for those who are outdoors for a prolonged period of time. Other than that, we'll keep things pretty seasonable, right where they should be for this time of year, and really just keep that trend going for the next several days.